Hello everyone, thank you for visiting our channel. Today we will show you how to make delicious chocolate muffins, and we will show you the behind the scenes to our videos and an interesting story that happened when we were making the muffins. Usually, I and my younger brother will be helping my mom. However, today we were both at school, so it was only my mom and my youngest brother. Before I went to school, I helped my mom put the lamps together and also prepared the table for filming. Then my mom measured the ingredients beforehand, and my youngest brother is helping her put them on the table. So let's move on to a recipe. For the muffins, we will need unsalted butter, milk, eggs, sugar, cocoa powder, flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Into the bowl, place 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 200 grams of melted butter. You can substitute it with margarine. Add 4 medium-sized room temperature eggs and whisk them a bit to mix the yolk and the egg whites. Next, into 2 cups of pre-sifted flour, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Mix all the dry ingredients. The quality of the cocoa will affect the taste of the muffins later on. After adding the eggs, add the dry ingredients and mix everything well. You can use either a hand or a stationary mixer. Next, add in 1/2 cup of warm milk. Mix the dough thoroughly. At this stage, you can add chocolate chips, raisins, cranberries, or nuts. Then your muffins will taste richer and more delicious. Fill either silicone or paper muffin cups halfway. From this amount of dough, you will get 24 muffins. Place them into a preheated oven that has been heated to 180 degrees Celsius, and the baking time will be different for everyone. For us, they cook for 22 minutes, but you can check to see if they are ready at 20. This is what happens in the kitchen while the muffins are cooking. My younger brother brought all of the dirty dishes and now is helping my mom clean them. First, she washes the sink, and then they start to dry the dishes and put them away. At this time, my brother dropped a bowl and he was very upset. He offered my mom some scotch tape to help fix it. She told him that scotch won't help this time and that we just needed to throw it away, but he got even more upset and said to my mom, "How will you film your videos?" To which she replied, "Don't worry, we will buy a different one." And these things happen, and she thanked him for helping her. That was an interesting thing that happened today, and we decided to share it with you guys. Now our muffins have cooked, and we need to put them out on the cooling rack. Thank you for being with us and watching the video all the way. If you liked it, then please leave a like on this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.